What are you doing?
This is my winning dance.
You didn't win shit
Oh, I'm
yet.
gonna win though.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Watch out with the high kicks. What's up, everybody? Rob here, and Corinne. Guess what? You're watching Man versus Corinne versus Pin.
That's right, and I think this is the last time we're gonna shoot in this kitchen.
I know, it's pretty sad. This is the end of an era.
Memories,
Sad.
like the corner of my mind.
Don't touch me. Well, a lot of you have been suggesting taco shot glasses.
That's exciting. I am ready. I have shaved. I am super ready to go.
What?
Yeah, taco shot glasses, like that time in Tijuana.
Not those kind of taco shot glasses. The kind of taco shot glasses that I'm talking about don't even exist.
Wait. No one's tried a taco shot glass before, but like a food taco shot glass?
Absolutely not.
Well, this is exciting.
I know, we're making history.
Let's get started, chef.
What, you all right? What happened?
I already drank too much tequila.
Okay.
Okay, let's get started, shall we?
Taco shot glass.
Okay.
What is that?
I don't know.
To celebrate our brand new invention, we need to take a shot.
Oh, wow. Did you get the expensive shit? ThreadBanger.
Getting up since 2007.
Cheers. Ah!
Oh.
It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I am getting so hot, I'ma take my clothes.
Okay, all right, enough. God, a little bit of that one shot of tequila. Holy cow, all right.
So, taco shot glasses, what's your plan?
My plan is to almost make a taco bowl, but just a little bit smaller. I'm gonna put
Revolutionary!
like a gordita. What's yours?
My plan is molecular gastronomy shit,
I
mofos.
don't even know what that means.
Science.
Yeah, science it up. What are you gonna do?
So basically, I'm gonna take these Doritos, I'm gonna food process them till they're a fine powder, then I'm gonna wet them, I'm gonna make them moist.
Is that the fucking molecular gastronomy you're talking about?
Yes, water, H2O, motherfucker.
I'm gonna add water.
Periodic table of the elements, motherfucker.
I'm gonna... What the f is going on in this episode?
Hey, let's get started, shall we?
You already said that.
Wait. I figured it out. I'm gonna use tequila
No.
as the liquid. And do you know what that's called? Science.
It's not called
Because
science.
tequila evaporates quicker than water.
Oh, okay. Oh my god.
Step 1, Doritos. Step 2, tequila. Step 3, food processor. Process that. Process this.
What?
Okay, see how it's already starting to gum up a little? This is what we want, people.
Are you sure?
Shut up.
Who are you talking to over there?
Woo! It smells awesome. Ah! F it.
Okay, all right, while Corinne figures out whatever this is, I'm gonna take my goddamn tortillas over here and I'm gonna put them in the microwave. I need to soften them up.
Here, actually stand right here in front of the... Okay, here it is. Yeah. This is the thumbnail. This is it. What else holds things together besides glue? Maybe some flour. Just a little bit though.
So far that is Doritos, tequila, and flour.
All right, do you see this? I've created a Dorito paste here. This is gonna go into the shot glass mold. The sticky and mushy is what you're going for.
That's the molecular gastronomy term for it, right?
Yeah. Now you just push it in. Push it. Push it real good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You're so gross. All right, see? This is gonna work out perfectly. All right, I'm gonna pop this in the oven for an undetermined amount of time.
So this is it, one attempt, huh?
I don't know if you remember cookie shot glass. I did one cookie shot glass and still beat your ass. Roll the clip. Cookie shot glass.
That's it, that's all I got. What the fuck? That was the only one that kinda could've worked.
All right, what next?
Let's go see how my tortillas are doing over here in the microwave. You want these? Woo! So that they're soft and hot. Nice and loose, nice and flimsy, just like your mom.
Wow.
Oh, shit.
Wow.
Take your shot glass, turn it upside down. Maybe you coat it with some sort of oil. And then you take your thingamabobber here.
You don't remember what that's called anymore?
And you want to fold until it's nice and fucking something. Grab the beans. This is gonna act as my glue. I'm gonna make a gordita taco shot glass. Yeah.
I don't even know what that means.
I know! Neither do I! At this point, you just want to use your fingers. That's gonna be your best bet. Come here.
No.
Come here.
No.
Take your second tortilla. You put it on. And you just wrap a little bit of wire around it. Boom. Gordita taco fucking shot glass. Now you just put these in the oven.
Hey. Don't, no, you can't use my tray. Whoa. You're so lucky. Really? All right, both of our shot glasses are in the oven. Now what do we do?
Boom. Boom. Cheers.
5 minutes later.
Did you get cheese?
Yeah, that's nacho cheese. What do you want? You
What
want
do you
some fucking tacos? You motherfucker.
This is nacho cheese, kitty. Yeah, I'll steal your jokes all goddamn day. All day. This is panning out nicely.
Hey! Okay, let's see how these things are going over here.
See how this is the size of a shot glass? Do you hear that?
Yeah, no, that's pretty
Do you
hard.
fucking hear that? Science. This is just a masterpiece.
Here we go. Taco shot glass. wait, what are you doing?
So what you gotta do is you gotta put your fingers in the hole, like this.
Yeah. Oh, there it is.
There's a little bit of cat hair in it.
What?
There's cat hair in it. Ew. This isn't my entire plan. I still need to cover this with cheese. But I mean, it's a Dorito shot glass.
Oh.
Why are you touching my shit? Why?
I just picked it up to look at it on the camera. It just came apart.
Sabotage.
It doesn't seem very well connected to the base of the shot glass.
Do not touch it again. Do not touch it again.
Well, let's see how mine are doing. Here it is, folks.
Wow, that does look pretty. I'm impressed.
Ow! God damn it!
That glass is still hot. I have an idea.
What's the idea?
I'm gonna spackle the parts that have the holes. And then I just bake it like this and it'll harden. You know what I'm saying, dog? So I'm just gonna pop it in the oven for 35, 45 more minutes and we'll be good. What?
My shot glass is already ready to go.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have fucking touched my shot glass. I'll never trust you again.
What happened there? What are you doing? Is that the cheese?
I may have forgotten about the cheese again.
I'm just gonna stuff the rim with some cheese. Make a nice little cheesy layer around it. There it is.
Yeah, there it is.
What?
What?
Yeah. How about that?
Yeah, how about this?
How about what?
What?
We'll just put that one right next to your little weird creation that's happening over there. You little
It's called science!
fucking Frankenstein shot glass.
Meanwhile.
Oh shit. Cheese fucking rim job.
Yeah, you would know about that, wouldn't you?
What?
I got the beans on the rim. We've all been there, done that. And then I'm gonna put the cheese.
Oh, you taking my cheese rim idea?
No, I have no idea what you're talking about. Oh, sweet baby Jeebus.
Eventually.
Oh. So yes, let's compare sizes here. And let's put an actual shot glass next to it. Oh my God, that is not the right shot glass.
No,
dude.
that's a shot glass.
No. This is an actual real shot glass comparatively to your fucking shot glass.
I mean, get that at a bar. That's a good shot.
No bar has this. So what you're saying is that you're an alcoholic.
Yeah. I'm gonna finish it up. Gonna put a little sour cream on that rim. Put a little salsa here. Oh, a little guacamole.
It's very pretty, I must admit. It's like the Mexican flag. Did you mean to do that?
You bet your ass I did. Of course that was in the plan. It's definitely like the Mexican flag. Are you kidding me?
Seriously, you're cutting on the counter? Wow.
Yeah, wow.
That's a taco shot glass if I've ever seen one.
I know.
So now I'm just going to copy Rob's idea.
What are you talking about?
And I'm only gonna put the sour cream on a little side.
What?
And then I'm only gonna put a little guac on a side.
Yeah, no, that's a lot like mine. What the f?
Oops. And then what you do is you take a spoon
What not?
and you just do a little dollop of salsa on top.
That's what I did on mine, you son of a bitch.
And then it's like the Mexican flag. Lastly, what you do is you put a little lime wedge on there, just to put a little wedge in between you and the competition.
The real question is whether or not it holds liquid. So let's fill them up. Here we go.
Here's the moment of truth. No drippage.
No drippage. Nothing's happening here. I'm just like, I'm hanging out at the bar. You just gave me the shot. Oh, thank you. Oh my God, it's a taco and it's a shot glass. What the f? Here we go.
No, I have to put alcohol in mine.
Yeah, let's see if it holds. There we go.
Nope.
Oh, what the f is that?
Nothing.
Let go, let go, let go.
No! There's no leaks. It patched itself up. See, my shit is still holding liquid.
Mine is too. This is it, we did it. We just made f***ing history right here. Cheers to the last time in this kitchen.
The last hurrah. Cheers.
Mmm. Oh.
Eh.
You take the shot,
And then you eat the glass?
and then you... Holy shit. Look at that. You get the guac, you get the sour cream, you get the beans, you get the cheese.
Let me try yours.
Oh my God. I know.
Mine's way flavorful.
The Doritos, you get that nacho cheese in there. Damn.
So what you should do is leave a comment below saying who you thought won.
I
It
mean,
was me.
what?
I'm pretty sure it was me.
Come on
I
now.
did molecular gastronomy
You
here.
didn't do shit.
Yes, I did.
Oh my God. Oh, what the fuck? Come on.
Fuck you! Make sure to subscribe, like up this video, and we'll see you later. Show us your tacos.
Enough.
What? Hashtag showing you my taco. We'll be sure to repost all your taco pics
What is
right on Instagram.
What are you talking about?
At ThreadBanger Studios, hashtag here's my taco.
Okay, enough. No, that's not happening.